want to do the intro?
No.
Alright. Man, we haven't made a video in like
so long.
It's been ages.
Yeah.
So we'll catch people up. Basically, a number of months have passed and we're back here making videos.
Yeah.
So.
And we got a new RC plane, DDF jet that we just got.
Yeah, we're here flying. Well, we'll just tell people what we're doing.
Yeah, we're kind of.
Today, we're at this little flying field. And it's this big, open, nice field.
Yep.
It's pretty windy today. And we have a 3D plane, a jet, and a slow ultra stick. And it's actually pretty windy, which is why that's upside down.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's blowing pretty good today. And so it might be a little haywire flying.
Yep.
So anyway, should we, maybe we'll just get up in the air, hey?
Yep.
But yeah, just welcome back everybody. It's been a while.
Yep.
And you can just hang out with us when we're flying today.
Okay.
The battery. Hey, we're gonna be careful today because of this wind. It's blowing pretty good.
I think I could take off right here, but.
Yeah, you totally can if you want. Go ahead. Ooh, that wind. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's windy, man.
Oh.
Yeah, it's windy.
I
So just fly slow.
need to land.
You need to land? You've only been up for 1 minute. What's going on? Just filming. Yes. Hey, see the wind's coming from that way, so you gotta come in straight to the wind. You gonna do another lap?
No.
What? We've been here 1 minute and you're already done?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. You've been up in the air for 1 minute. Go ahead, take off again. You're good to go. You did really good. This is good learning experience. I know it's a little haywire. But this is what windy days are for. Learning how to fly in the wind.
I'd actually prefer the other field we usually go to last.
Yeah. No, you like this field the best. It's just you don't like it windy. Okay? Go ahead, take off. You're doing good. Take off into the wind. Okay? You want to go straight into the wind there. There you go. Nice and gentle. It's like flying a kite with no string. Half there.
I mean, it's a big surface.
It's a big surface.
It should be able.
Okay, you want to hand launch this for me?
Sure.
All right, you can hand launch. It's pretty windy. Here, move away from the plane. You don't want to step on that piece. Okay. Okay, here we go. Flying with half the tail. It's broken.
Oh no!
Oh no! Okay, I'm gonna land it. Emergency landing. you're flying like that, and that's time when you stop flying.
Yeah.
Because that's pretty sketchy.
I mean, we should have stopped in the first place. There's already